Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more time. We're doing an update on the tech stock XLK. Y'all know what this stock is by now. If you don't, go back and look at the other videos or the beginning analysis of this video, and it will let you know in the other updates as well. So right now, the market did shoot up. It did shoot down. Y'all remember it shot down here to the levels. It shot up. And it came back down and went for the other levels that I put in on the update. It went for those other levels, but it's back up again at this level here. It's really testing this level here at this price. So I should have had this thing drop down just a hair lower, but it's right here at it. 132.82, 83, still 133.19. It should have been, a possible take profit area for that area. But the market is moving sideways a little bit, but it still was moving back up to the upside. They haven't broke the trend line yet, so we're waiting for overall trend line break on possibly the upside of things. Y'all gonna see this thing has been bearish, so excuse me, bullish. So that's what we're looking at here. I'm looking for go break these levels here, but the market has to go through its cycles. We just don't, sometimes it does just move straight out. But right now, the market, the economy is in a different position. So that's going to allow the market to behave a little different as well. So you got to be, understand what's going on with the economy and such companies, things of that nature. You just really got to focus in on your fundamentals and things of that nature, just as well as your technical stuff. But on to the update, it's heading towards 133.19, and I'm expecting it to reach there sometime soon. We're going to see if this market going to gap up Monday or gap down on Monday. So we'll definitely be looking for that update and see how the market decides to open. But give me just one moment, y'all. There is more room to move to the upside, so we know it reached this level here, right at this level here. So give it some time. Give it some time. I didn't even click on that. I don't know what I still been doing that, but give it some time. You know what I'm saying? Break 132.81. I think it's going to continue to move to the upside. It does have more room to the upside to go. So we're gonna see if it's gonna reach a price target up in this area here. So up in here. 134.29, but our initial price target was 133.19, and we're very close to it. So, but the market has to cycle, so you just gotta, be patient, watch for the swings. It still can sell off again, but I think it still got enough room to move to the upside before it decides to sell off. So if it does get here, you just gotta be careful and see what's going on with the current tech sector at that time, so you can, decide to make a good decision at that point. But that's the update, guys. Alex Jenkins checking out.